says that AI is going to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Right now we are in 2025, right? So just in next 5 years, AI technology alone with its various applications for various domains and industries is going to contribute 15.7 trillion. How much is that? Just to give you a comparison, the GDP of India, the economy of India, okay, is around 3.5 to $4 trillion in between that. So, char India jitna, 4 times bigger than India is what AI technology alone is going to contribute to the global economy. You see, when the internet came, it brought so much revolution. It has in इसकी वजह से कितनी बड़ी economy चल रही है अभी, right? Because of social media, so much of big economy is running, and because of AI, even bigger economy is coming. Okay, it's going to be applicable for all the professional jobs as well as businesses. So you'll be learning. So once you understand there is so much of scope, you'll get better at using that. How about India? So that was about global, but in India alone, it is projected that it's going to be a 70,000 crore industry. Okay, contributing to IT and many other jobs. Okay, not only that, because many of you might be working as working professionals, as you mentioned in the chat, right, about your profession. Let me share with you. These are some news articles which are published. AI related job listings in India have surged 150% in last 5 years. So some people fear, okay, now AI is going to take away jobs. Already it has started taking some jobs. But let me tell you, every new technology, I'll tell you some funny fact, okay, some interesting fact some of you might know about this. You know what? When calculators came in, so calculator, आप दुकान में जाते हो, you see that calculator, right? When calculators came for the first time, you know what? People protested that banned the calculators. They thought, okay, people who are doing accounting work, their jobs will get lost. Okay, that was the thing. But you see, people were spending a lot of time on doing basic calculations. Calculators came in, usse kaam aasan hua, the work got easier, and then these same people moved on to do something even more interesting and more advanced stuff, like advanced accounting. So what happens is whenever a new technology comes in, some initially people fear a lot about that technology, but once they adopt that technology, there are crazy opportunities that will get opened up. Just imagine a world without internet today. We cannot remain for a second, right? Without internet services, right? Without WhatsApp, without social media, without YouTube, without whatever we are using, right? So it's impossible to live right now without internet. But when internet came in, people protested about internet as well. Can you believe that? Same is the case with AI. It has got its own pros and cons at this stage. Some people are losing the jobs, but in the long term, even if you have heard recently, our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, said in a public statement, he is on a world tour visit, right, with US and many other European countries. So he said, every new technology comes in, it creates more jobs than it takes, right? So if you want to take advantage of such opportunities, you need to be aware of what's happening in the world. And you know what? There is a statistic. Okay, there is a data to prove that. You see, this is an article that was published in Times of India sometime back. Employees with AI skills to get at least 54% salary hike. Can you believe that? So if you are an AI skilled professional, you will have better advantage in the industry. You'll get better job opportunities. In fact, Elon Musk, I believe everybody now knows Elon Musk, right? He says AI will not replace you, but a person using AI will. I'll give you a simple example. If you just understand this one thing from this entire 90-minute masterclass, then it's all worth it. Okay? Yeah. Imagine you are a business owner. Some of you are already a business owners here, but everybody for a moment, imagine you are a business owner. And now you want to hire a person for a marketing manager role. Okay, you want to hire a person for a marketing manager role. There is this person A who comes in for the interview. आप उसका interview लेते हो. You like the qualifications, the educational background, the skill sets, experience, and all of that, right? Now you like this person A, but then after person A, the person B also comes in for the interview. You take that person's interview. You are impressed with the qualifications, the skill sets, experience of this person B as well. However, this person B knows how to use AI tools for marketing. This person knows how to use advanced LLM chatbots for designing marketing strategies, not only designing them, but executing them and getting better results for the companies, whatever products or marketing strategies they are working. So this person A with just the marketing knowledge, okay, and this person B with marketing plus AI knowledge. So this person is AI powered marketer. This is AI skilled marketer. Which person will you logically hire? Person A with only the marketing knowledge or person B with the marketing and AI knowledge? What will be your logical choice if you were to hire one of these person? Let me know in the chat section. Let me know in the chat section. Person B, right? Come on, everybody, let me know in the chat. In fact, that is the only thing I ask of you in this masterclass, that be active in the chat. Let's not make this session like a monotonous one way. Let's have a two-way communication, right? So that I know you're listening to me, you're here, you're attentive, you're focused, and you're actually grasping the concepts, right? Right? Person B, because it makes a lot of sense, right? It makes a lot of sense to have a person who knows AI, the latest stuff, who can deliver better results, faster results for a company. And you know what? That has already started. That has already started. If you have just seen a latest news, Zomato, okay, Dipinder Goyal, the CEO of Zomato, you might be using Zomato, right, for food ordering. He has mentioned that all the future hires in Zomato will be preferring, they will be preferring people with AI skills along with whatever the core skills are, marketing, sales, digital marketing. If a person has AI skills, they'll be preferring that candidate. If you can just check that out, you can do that later. In fact, majority of the companies have already started preferring the candidates with AI knowledge. Okay, it need not be technical AI knowledge, but it is expected that you have application based AI knowledge. Okay, how do you apply AI tools, AI skill sets into your current work? Okay, so there is a huge opportunity for you if you can become AI skill. In fact, by the end of this masterclass, if you just learn, if you just make it a commitment to yourself that yes, you want to become an AI skill professional, then this masterclass is well worth it, along with the bonus of learning AI tools. But let me tell you can do a simple Google search, an AI tool for XYZ. There are more than 10,000 plus AI tools in the market right now. More than 10,000 plus AI tools in the market. Can you believe that? Okay, for different use cases. But not every tool is good, not every tool is bad. You need to find out the right tool for your right use cases. Okay. Don't worry, I'm going to be sharing with you some right tools for your right use cases in this masterclass. And certainly, if you wish to continue learning with me on a daily basis about new AI tools, I'm here for you. I'll be giving you an opportunity to join our community and you can keep learning daily with me. Let me tell you why you should be learning these AI tools, because they help you boost your productivity. They help you save a lot of the time. It can literally save you 30 to 80% of your time. Many of our community members, so we at Growtify have a community of more than 10,000 enrolled members into our programs and our daily sessions and all of that. So many of the members are using AI tools on a consistent basis in their work, in their business, in their career, for their income growth as well. Because this is an early mode advantage. If you can learn AI, it's going to be fantastic. So ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT? I'm not going to go deeper into this, but ChatGPT is, some of you might have heard it, some of you might have maybe used it, right? And very few of you might have not used it still. If you have not used it, don't worry. Just go to the website called chatgpt.com and you'll be able to use it. It's basically a Q&A chatbot, but a very intelligent chatbot. Now, recently you must have seen the news that there is another tool called DeepSeek, okay, that has come in the market, right? China has released basically its own model called DeepSeek. It's smarter in a way because it has this capability of deep thinking. What are these chatbots? Let me break it down in a very simple language for all of you. So these chatbots are nothing but they have knowledge and they have intelligence, both of these. Before chat gpt came in, there were chatbots. उसको आप कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लो, एक प्री प्रोग्राम्ड या प्री डिफाइंड आंसर करता था. Okay, if you ask this question, it will give you a defined answer. But with ChatGPT, what happened is the OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, gathered a lot of data, publicly available data from the internet. They trained this chat gpt, basically this chatbot, on that data. They have their own algorithms. So वहां पर उसने बहुत सारा knowledge gather किया, and they have this own intelligence in terms of algorithms and the training models. And now when you ask a question, it gives you a very smart answer, a very structured answer. Okay, that was a big difference, and that's what has made ChatGPT one of the fastest growing AI apps in the world, with more than 30 crore users right now, okay, as we speak today. Okay, so we are going to be learning so many advanced AI tools as well in this masterclass, but DeepSeek is one such tool, and ChatGPT, as you know, okay. This is a funny image, but I like to give this example, almost every time. You see, you might be aware of ChatGPT, you might be aware of AI tools, but maybe you might have used it one or two times, or maybe for some use cases. But I really wish that you become a champion user of a chat GPT, not be a basic user, become a champion user. What is a champion user? A champion user is someone who uses AI tools on a daily basis for his or her career, business, and income growth. So before moving forward, I'm curious to know, what is your current situation? What is your current status of using AI tools? Are you a basic AI tools user? That means kabhi na kabhi aapne sirf suna hai, maybe you've created an account and you're not using it on a daily basis. So you are a basic or a beginner user. If you're using AI tools almost on a daily basis, then you are maybe an intermediate, like, or an, I would say, daily user. Or if you're using ChatGPT for almost majority of your work, like more than 50-70% of your work, then you are an advanced user. So what is your current usage level? Let me know in the chat section, not only about ChatGPT, but about all the other AI tools. So many of you are saying basic users. Okay, basic users. Some of you are saying intermediate users. What is your current state? Let me know. Let me know in the chat section. Basic users. Many of you are basic users who have used maybe ChatGPT once or twice, or kabhi jab yaad aayega tab use kar rahe, right? And I can see very few of you are advanced users. Some of you are in the intermediate. So I would say, looking at the chat, it's like 50 to 60% of the members are basic users, 20%, 20 to 30% are intermediate users, and 10% of the members are advanced users. Awesome. Thank you so much for your honesty. Thank you for sharing that openly. Because let me tell you, whatever stage you are currently in, basic user, fantastic. You have got so much scope to learn. Even if you're an intermediate user, you have so many advanced AI tools to use. If you're an advanced user, you can even still keep learning, because every day, if you are reading in the world, like a world of AI news, new AI tools, new models, new use cases are coming up. So it's literally like you have to catch up with the latest things, right? So there is always something more for you to learn, whatever your current stage be. Okay. In fact, one of the world's smartest person and richest person, Bill Gates, he has published a blog recently, okay, where he had mentioned that the age of AI has begun. Okay. So I would encourage that you read this. So I'll give you a summary. Okay, it's a long article, but I'll give you a summary. I'll make your work easier. What he has mentioned in that blog is, everybody, whether you're a student, whether you're a software engineer, whether you're a lawyer, digital marketer, whoever you might be, learn AI, because that's the new definition of being literate, okay, in today's world. If someone doesn't know how to use digital tools today, that person lags behind. Already in this time and in coming months to years, if you don't know how to use AI tools, you will be left behind. We say, learn AI tools, learn AI use cases, and implement them if you want to stay relevant in today's world. Don't be a dinosaur. Like dinosaurs went, extinct. Few chale gaye dinosaurs. Wow, what did happen, right? Because they could not adopt to the environment. This time ka jo environment tha, they could not adopt and they got extinct, right? So he is recommending that everybody adopt to AI and make advantage of AI. Do not be left behind, right? So that's what he's saying. And now, let me tell you, by the way, all the members who might have joined us recently, stay until the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you a special gift, a guide which I've created, which is Meta AI Guide, which is going to help you understand how you can use Meta AI. Okay, a tool which is available on the WhatsApp for free of cost for everybody. If you might be using it right now, but there are some strategies and tricks using which you can make it your personal assistant, and you can do a lot with it almost on a daily basis. You can use it for a lot of use cases. So I've created this guide specially for all the people who are curious, who are committed, and who will stay until the end of this masterclass. So stay until the end of the masterclass for this, and also you will have an opportunity to keep learning with me. We are right now, we are Growtify. Okay, we are right now India's highest rated AI learning community. So we have members learning from all different professions and backgrounds, learning with us through our programs, courses daily. So you will also get the chance to keep learning with me along with this. Okay. So now let's move on to the first use case. Okay, first use case of this. How can you use? By the way, how can you use ChatGPT and other AI tools which can help you grow a lot in your current thing? Okay. So let me ask you. Let me ask you. How many of you would love to create content for your social media handles? How many of you would love to create content for your social media handles? Let me know in the chat, please. Let me know in the chat, please. How many of you would love to create content? So many of you, right? So many of you. Okay. For social media, maybe for your LinkedIn, maybe for your Instagram. Can I share with you one tool which can help you create content for your LinkedIn? Okay, because we are more interested in our career growth, our business growth, our income growth. And you know what? You can do that certainly through other social media platforms. But what if you can create content on LinkedIn, because it will open up so many opportunities for you. because it can help you get clients, it can help you build credibility, and it can help you position yourself as a thought leader in that topic, in that domain, right? So my simple question to you is, are you creating content on LinkedIn currently? Yes or no? Are you creating articles? Are you writing articles? Are you writing posts on LinkedIn? Yes or no in the chat, please. Honestly, I would love you for you to share that honestly. I love honesty. So please share that. Some of you are saying yes, most of you are saying no. I'm going to share with you a tool in next few one or 2 minutes, which can help you create LinkedIn articles in few seconds. You'll be mind blown with that. Okay, so please before that, let me know in the chat. Awesome. Come on, let me know in the chat section. Come on, let the chat box be buzzing. Let me know because that helps me understand the overall sentiment of the members we have here. Okay, so come on, let me know. I'm going to share with you a tool. Okay, awesome. Some of you are saying, most of you are saying no, some of you are saying yes. No issues. Okay, today in this, okay, we'll be covering one of the tool. Okay, we'll be covering one of the tool which can help you create this content on your LinkedIn immediately, like in the next few seconds. Okay, let's do that. I'm going to share with you. Just allow me a few moments. I'm just going to open that for you and I'm going to show you that. Yes, here we go. I'm going to start sharing that screen. And I'm going to share all these tools by the end of this masterclass. Okay, so here we go. The first tool that I want to share with you. Come on, let's focus here. Okay, let's focus here. First, understand how to use these tools. Okay, first understand how to use these tools, and then by the end of the masterclass, I'm going to share with you one document which will contain the URLs. Okay, the links of all these tools that we're going to be discussing. First understand. So there is this tool called a free LinkedIn post generator. What this tool does is it's going to help you write a LinkedIn post within seconds. What you need to do is, you see, when you come to this URL, you just click on this button called generate with AI. And by the way, please stay focused. I won't be able to repeat the tools again and again because we have a lot of content to cover. So please try to understand in the first attempt itself. Okay. So I'm going to click on this button called generate with AI. And here, you just need to mention the topic. You just need to mention the topic about which you want to write a LinkedIn post. So even if you are not clear on what topic to write about, okay, no issues. You can use ChatGPT for generating the topics list. Okay, I'll just give you, say for example, I'm just going to write a very basic prompt. So you can just mention I'm working as a software engineer so that the topics are relevant. Okay. So now we are going to take list of topics from ChatGPT. Okay. And I'm going to pick up one of the topic from the list which ChatGPT has recommended. I'm going to simply go to copy it. I'm going to paste the topic here. Okay, I'm going to paste the topic, and you see how simple it is. Just click on this button called select a template. Okay, and by the way, don't worry about plagiarism or anything of that sort. These tools generate very good content which you can directly publish on LinkedIn without any worries. Okay, so you just click on this button called select template. Now you see writing posts on LinkedIn. Okay, writing posts on LinkedIn is going to be very beneficial, and there are different formats, or I would say styles, of writing posts, text posts or image posts on LinkedIn. So this tool gives you all these different styles of writing posts on your LinkedIn. Okay, and by the way, this tool is completely free of cost, right? So you can choose one of the template that you feel is right for your topic. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one here, and by the way, there are more than 25 templates available for you to use. I'm just scrolling down. Can you see that? So many different templates, so many different styles of writing content on LinkedIn. So I'm going to scroll to the top. I'm going to say select this template. This looks interesting. I'm going to select this. That's it. I just gave a topic and it's going to select the template. Okay, I just selected a template. I'm going to click on generate a post. And it will take a few seconds. And in next few seconds, this tool is going to give me a LinkedIn post, which I can simply copy and post it on my LinkedIn. Obviously, I can make my own changes in that as per my understanding and my knowledge. You see, this entire post is generated. Can you see that? This entire post is generated in few seconds. Now, if I want to add hashtags, for example, there are no hashtags here. I want to add hashtags. I'll just click on this button called AI Writing Assistant. Okay, it's very simple. Just with a single click of button, you are able to do that. Click on AI Writing Assistant. Make sure you take your cursor at the bottom of the post. Okay, click on AI Writing Assistant, right? And then click on this button called add hashtags, or you want to make this post longer, you want to make it shorter, you want to improve this writing, you want to add emojis, whatever it is, or you can add your custom instruction. For example, add more information about AI tools in this post. I can do that as well, and this tool will find through the internet information about it and put it in in this post, right? I'm going to click on add hashtags. Now it's going to take a few seconds. Can you see that it has added appropriate hashtags? जो topic है उसके accordingly hashtags डाल दिए. Now I'm going to copy this entire post. I'm simply going to go to my LinkedIn. Okay, and I'm going to click on this button called create a post. And by the way, you can check out my LinkedIn profile. You can follow that. I keep on sharing some amazing content on LinkedIn about a lot of AI use cases, AI tools. Okay, and you can just connect, and I'll be very happy to connect with you. Okay, as well. So you can just send a connection request, and you can just continue because this helps me attract a lot of opportunities and business opportunities and so many tools. In fact, everybody should post on LinkedIn, and the tool that I'm sharing with you, you can literally do it in just 2 minutes a day. पूरे दिन में सिर्फ 2 मिनट निकालने आपको and you're able to create a post. You see, I'm going to click on this create a post. I'm going to paste this content. यहाँ पर से मैंने जो copy किया था, right? I'm going to simply paste. Can you see that? And then I can change it obviously based on my knowledge and my customization that I want. But see, I'm happy with this right now. Can you see that? Can you believe? ये इतना बड़ा article AI ने generate किया in few seconds. Magic. Right? When you think about AI, I really want you to think of magic because that is what it is right now. It's going to help you in your career, in your business, in your income as well. It's magical. So I'm going to click on post. That's it. I'll just refresh my page. And can you see that just now I posted an article on my LinkedIn. Interesting with the hashtags. YouTube can publish posts on LinkedIn in just under 2 minutes using tools like this. Tool really doesn't matter. Let me tell you, I really want you to not only go after the tools. कि ये tool क्या है, वो tool क्या है. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing the link of this tool at the end of the masterclass so that you will get all the tools that we are discussing in one document. But I want you to understand the possibility. That is the most important thing. I want you to understand. I want you to open up. My genuine intention is for you to understand that AI can unlock so many opportunities and AI can enable you to do so many things in a faster way, better way for your growth, okay, in your career, in your business and so many use cases. That's the main point I want you to understand. Tools aate jaate rahenge, but the fundamentals, the concepts will remain the same, right? So how many of you think this is going to make your life so easy? Type easy in the chat section, right? Type easy in the chat section if you think this is going to help your life, if it's going to make easy for you to create content on LinkedIn. Just use a tool, give the topic, select the template, create the content, post it on LinkedIn. How easy it is. It cannot get easier than this, right? It's easy and fast, right? Some of you are saying on interesting. How many of you think that was easy? It's crazy easy, right? Awesome. Awesome. Thanks for that. Super easy, super fast, right? Definitely. So you see, this is how it looks like, right? So the name of this tool, I'll be sharing that. Anyways, you can just check out. You can just go to Google and search for this aicarousels.com free LinkedIn post generator. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing the URL at the end of the masterclass in one document so that you will be able to refer it later. Awesome. So I hope you are enjoying and you're learning a lot in this masterclass, right? Awesome. And by the way, you can learn like this to create content for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your YouTube, and for your Twitter handles as well. You can create content on this. In fact, we cannot cover all this. I just gave you a demo of what kind of AI tools and prompts you can use. In fact, if you really wish to continue learning later, okay, and really create content. So I told you, right, we have this advanced program and advanced community, community where people keep on learning. So you'll get access to this entire detailed course where I'll be teaching with you about how to create content for different platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. How can you write blog articles? How can you do landing pages, websites, all of that? So anything to do with content, everything is going to be covered basically in that program. So you can just stay excited and stay curious. You'll have the opportunity to join this later. Okay. So this is about LinkedIn. Now you can understand if you can create videos, the scripts, topics, video subtitles, all of that using AI. It's going to be exciting, right? Now, let me share with you some amazing other exciting things. All right. There are so many ways I can keep going on, but I'm going to share with you some tools which you can immediately implement. That's my point. I don't want you to learn theoretically. I really want you to implement it immediately, right? So what are we going to do? So listen this out. For reading an email and replying to an email, how much time do you usually take? एक email को पढ़ के उसको think करके email reply करने को how much time do you take? Is it 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Average length email. How much time do you take? How much time do you take? 5 minutes, right? Some of you are saying 5 minutes, some of you are saying 10 minutes, some of you are saying like 5 to 10 minutes. Many of you are saying like on an average 5 to 10 minutes, right? 5 to 10 minutes, right? Based on the content of the business, certainly, obviously. But I'm saying average length email hai, acha average length ka email hai, right? So how much time do you take? Come on, let's try the chat section. Come on, let's be active here. Let's be active. Okay, because the simple act of writing out in the chat section will help you focus more. Okay, it will help you grasp the things more. Come on, let me know in the chat. 5 to 10 minutes, right? What if I can show you a tool which can help you do that literally in seconds? Literally in seconds. You don't need to be, taking stress about replying to any emails, whether it be on Google's Gmail or Microsoft Outlook or any of the platforms. I'm going to share with you a tool that can help you reply to emails and save you minimum half an hour every day. Minimum half an hour every day. So that's like how much? 2 to 3 hours per week. So I'll just show you that how to use this tool and which tool it is that I'm talking about. Tools really don't matter much. I want you to understand the concept, the possibility, the use cases for which you can use it. Yeah. Okay. For example, let me open any of the email and I'll show you that. Okay. For example, okay, let me show you. So this is an email. Okay, this is an email which say I've got. It's a quite a big email, and say I want to reply to this email. I want to read this and I want to reply to this email. But how do I do that? How do I do that? So you see, I've installed a lot of Chrome extensions. If you see all over my place, all over my Gmail, there are a lot of Chrome extensions. Can you see that? You see summarize. This is a Chrome extension, basically an AI tool. This is an AI tool. This is an AI tool, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to click on AI reply. Okay. Say for example, I'm going to say, I want to reply to this. I'm going to say, okay, thanks for info. I'm interested. Okay. For example, this person has sent me some details and he's asking me, are you interested in all of that? So I'm just saying, reply to this email that thanks for the info. I'm interested. That's it. Now you see, I'm going to just hit enter. And this tool is now generating an email reply for me. Can you see that? It has generated an email reply. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this, paste here. Can you see that? This AI tool helped me write an email reply in seconds. I need not write it. I'm just going to hit send. That's it. Right? So the name of this tool is called Monica, M-O-N-I-C-A. Okay, Monica AI tool. There are so many other tools as well. If I click on say, again, I want to reply this. You see, there are so many AI tools that can be used. Even Google has their own inbuilt tool for this, right? But you can use this tool called Monica AI, which is quite helpful. I'll show you this. So this is the tool, Monica AI, which you can use for a lot of use cases, not only for email, but there are so many use cases for image generation and translation and email, so many other things, content creation as well. So you can take a look at this tool called Monica AI tool. So website of this tool is Monica monica.im. So just can you see that I replied to that email just like that in just few seconds with a single click. It saved me at least 5 to 10 minutes. If I would have taken a normal way, I would have read it, I would have thought about it, I would have replied to it, I would have taken at least 5 to 10 minutes. But I did it literally in under 30 seconds. That's the power of AI tools. That's the power of magical AI tools, right? Now let me know in the chat section, what do you think, how much time this tool can help you save on a daily basis? Let me know in the chat section, please. How much time can this tool help you save on a daily basis when you have to reply or to a lot of emails? What do you think? Let me know in the chat section, please. How much time? 1 hour, right? 2 hours. Some of you are saying 2 hours, 1 hour. Some of you are saying, 2 hours, right? 1 to 2 hours. Can you see that? I just told you before explaining this tool, it will help you save minimum half an hour. And you guys are saying 1 or 2 hours, more than that, right? Most of the time, right? How to integrate? It's just simple. It's very simple. It's very, very simple, right? Most of the time, many of you are saying most of the time, 2 hours, 1 hour. You just go to this tool called monica.im, install the Chrome extension, okay? They have a free Chrome extension that you can install. You can start using this tool completely free of cost. Once you install the Chrome extension of this tool, you will be able to see that in your email, basically Gmail by default, यहाँ पर automatically आपको you open any email and you'll be able to see this icon summarize or in AI reply and just click on that. Simple. आपको एक बटन दिखेगा, सिर्फ उसको क्लिक करके आपको रिप्लाई जनरेट करेगा. Awesome. So these are like, many use cases for which you can use AI to use just one use case, say drafting emails, you can summarize YouTube videos, you can do accelerated learning, even for the people who are in academics or students, you can use it for writing research papers, practicing for your exams, you can generate books, articles, and so many other things, okay? And even the stock market analysis, you can do stock market analysis as well using AI tools, okay? There are some advanced AI tools for that as well, okay? Now, how many of you would love to learn how to build a website using AI? A quick website a website using AI for your use cases. How many of you would love to learn that? How to build a website using AI? For your personal portfolio website or for any other use case, let me know in the chat, please. Let me know in the chat, please. How many of you would love to learn? And I'm going to share with you a tool which can help you build a website. Build a website literally in under a few minutes. In under a few minutes. I know it sounds crazy, right? It sounds crazy to really think about it. कि ये सच में हो सकता है क्या? But that's the power of AI, right? I really want you to think. You see, as I've been telling you in the last couple of minutes that we are together, okay? You see, AI tools, I'm going to share with you few AI tools. I cannot explain hundreds of AI tools in this, say, 60 to 90 minutes that we are together, okay? So AI tools will come and go. What I truly want you to understand is, by the end of this masterclass, commit to learning about AI tools so that you can use those in your career use cases. Right from email drafting, almost from majority of the use cases you can think of, I would say 80 to 85% of the use cases, you can use AI tools, okay? So that you become AI skilled. And once you become AI skilled, the career opportunities will grow, the business opportunities will grow, the income opportunities will grow, okay? So make sure that is what you get out of this masterclass. Okay? Don't be after AI tools, AI tools, Certainly you should learn a lot of AI tools, but the fundamental is learn the concepts, learn the fundamentals of why you should be learning AI tools. Now, for example, a use case of website building, maybe for your own use case, or you are doing freelancing, or you want to do freelancing, and you want to sell websites to your clients, you can use AI tools like this that I'm going to explain in the next 1 minute for creating websites and selling those websites. Okay, AI has made that possible. Earlier, ये possible नहीं था. You had to spend minimum 20,000-30,000 rupees, to hire a good website agency or a developer and get the websites done for you. Okay, a good quality website. But with AI, it's so easy. You see, I'm going to share with you a tool called durable.co, durable.co, a tool which can help you build websites in minutes. So I'm going to come to this website, click on this button called generate your website. And what it's going to do is, it's going to ask me what kind of a website do I want to build. Okay? So I'm going to say I run a digital marketing agency and I want to build a website around that. So I'll say, or you can type whatever you want. Okay, it supports most of the use cases. I'm going to say digital marketing agency. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to put on the location. I'm going to say the name of the business is Growtify. That's it. I'm going to, and by the way, if you see some suggestions, it's going to give you some name suggestions as well. Okay, but I have a name, so I'm going to click on generate a website. Now you see this tool is going to generate that website in next few moments. Can you see that? I'm not doing anything. See the magic right in front of your eyes. Right in front of your eyes. This tool is generating the website. Can you see the percentage completion here at the bottom? This tool is generating a website for my digital marketing agency company. It's almost done. Can you see that? The website is done. And by the way, you can do it completely free of cost. You see, I'm not even signed in. It has generated a website, but I'm going to sign in now. Just a moment. I'll just show you. I'll just sign in and I'll show you that. And by the way, you can do this completely free of cost. You can even publish this. You can publish your own photos. You can do it. Most of the customizations as well. I'm just logging in with my Google account. Just logging in. So I can show you. Here it is. I'm going to show you my screen now. Right. So just a minute. So it's asking me. Okay, I have an account already. I'm going to sign in with this. Just a moment. I'll show you the final output here. Okay, I'll just sign. Just a minute, okay? Okay. Somehow there is an issue with the login. I'll do it again. Okay, let's do it again. So I'm going to go to durable.co and you generate your website. Please follow the steps, right? And I'm going to say digital marketing agency. Click on next. I'll say my business name is Growtify. I'll click on generate a website. And now you see it's generating that. Can you look at the bottom part of the page where it's generating and it's showing as the completion rate of the website, right? And you can customize it later. I'm going to show you that as well. Let it finish first. It's magical, literally. You see, it is generating that website. As we are talking, it's almost 90% done. You see, the website is ready. Okay, I'll just log in. Log in with Google. It's loading. Let's wait for that. Okay, so the website is ready. Can you see that? This entire website was generated in less than a minute, okay, along with the details of the services that typically a digital marketing agency provides. And you can edit all these contents. Can you see that? The text, I can edit it, okay? Not only that, somebody asked me, can I add my own images? Certainly. You see, this is an image. You can replace this image or you can regenerate the images. If you don't like this image, you can regenerate with AI. You can change the text. You can change so many things about this website. Okay, the font, the size of the font and all of that. Okay, now if I just scroll down, Can you see that it has also mentioned what kind of a services I can provide basically with digital marketing services? If I am not providing a certain service, I can simply delete this block. Okay, like that. I can do it's a drag and drop block based video basically website editor that I can generate. Okay. Not only that, I can add a section as well. If I want to modify this website further, I want to add a banner, I want to add, an image gallery. मेरी खुद की कुछ images है. I want to add that. I want to add my own video content on this website. I want to, do social media. I want to add some social media handles there or content there. I can add all of that. I can add a form and all of this. Okay. So it's magical. Okay. Now, if I show you the preview of this website. So this website is right now, this is how it will look to the end user. Okay, this is how it will look to the end user. And then you can publish it as well. You can publish it on the internet. The only thing will be, if you publish it with the free account, the website domain name will be say growtify.durable.co. So वहाँ पर durable का भी नाम आएगा इस company का. If you want your own domain, then yeah, you need to buy a paid subscription of that, which is hardly I think $10 or कुछ तो है. But just imagine, with just $10, you'll be able to create a website and publish it on the internet. How magical that is, right? So you see this publish, you can publish it, and then you can start using it and promoting your brand. So this is a website, this is an AI tool called durable.co, which gives you the options to change certain aspects which can help you generate whatever kind of a website you want. You see mobile view, desktop view, and all of that. Interesting. How many of you think that was magical? Or that was crazy? What is your first word that comes out of your mind right now? Like, what are you thinking, right? What is the feeling right now? Can you just believe an AI tool can create a website? It's very much possible. That's what I want you to open up your mind to. यहाँ पर अभी दुनिया में इतनी सारी possibilities open up to here. You just need to be aware of that. And since that being part of this masterclass, I hope you are enjoying this masterclass. Are you enjoying this masterclass? Are you enjoying or learning this masterclass? Are you finding it useful? Type useful or whatever, let me know in the chat section. Are you finding this masterclass useful? I told you, right? It will be hands-on. It will not be just the theory. We'll be implementing on certain AI tools and you can implement it along with me on your laptop. What do you think in the chat section? Let me know in the chat section. Is it useful, right? Awesome. Thanks for sharing that. Love those compliments and love that feedback from all of you. Thanks for sharing. Let's move to the next one now. We have some more content also left. Okay, so don't worry about it. We have so much more to cover. Okay, and let me share with you. Extremely useful, right? There is so much more. We are just covering the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more that can be done. You see, you can do market and audience research. We just saw building websites. You can generate PPTs as well. Okay, I'm going to share with you a completely free of cost. By the way, some of you might be using a tool called Gamma. Some of you might not be using. I'm going to show you this tool, and I'm going to show you another AI tool which is completely free of cost that you can generate PPTs completely free of cost using this tool. Okay, so how magical it's going to be? Let me show you that. So there is a tool called AI PPT Maker. Okay, AI Presentation Maker. I'll be sharing with you the links of all these tools at the end of the masterclass. So do not hurry. First learn, first understand how to implement these tools, and then you'll be able to get it. Okay. So let's understand now how to generate PPTs for your career, maybe your professional use cases, maybe for your business use cases, or just for fun. Okay, or for freelancing use cases. Right. So you see, you come to this tool, AIPPTmaker.ai, and then you click on this button called Create. Simply what you need to do, this is a magical tool. Let me tell you, I know you're already mind blown with the possibilities of AI, but this is an amazing tool. You see, you can generate a PPT just with a text prompt or a topic. कुछ तो topic आपको देना है, and it will generate a PPT for you. Out of the 1,000+ templates this tool already has. बहुत सारे templates you can choose one template, you can give the topic, AI will generate a PPT for you. I'm going to say, okay, top use cases of AI in, for example, software industry, software engineering. Okay, same topic. For example, I'm just going to give this, or you see there is an option. If you already have a PPT, जिसको आपको अच्छा बनाना है, you want to make a better PPT out of your existing old PPT, you can do that. If you have a document, a Google document or a Microsoft document, you can upload this. This tool will convert that document into PPT. Can you believe that? वो understand करेगा AI tool. It's all about intelligence, right? It's going to understand what's in the content of that document and it's going to convert into PPT. Not only that, if you have read some article on the internet and you want to create a PPT out of that article, अगर आपने कोई YouTube वीडियो भी देखा है and you want to create a PPT based on that YouTube video, you can do that. Can you believe this? You just need to paste the YouTube video link here. This tool will understand what that YouTube video is about and will create a PPT for you. Even better than that, if you want to just use your own voice, that means say you want to discuss with this tool, okay, generate me a PPT on XYZ topic. It should contain this, it should not contain this, it should have this data, whatever it is, you can just pick it out and this tool will understand that and will create a PPT. Okay, we are going to use the first one. You can explore these other tools later. I'm going to say the top use cases of AI in software engineering. You can check out some advanced settings as well. So you see behind the scenes, it is using chat GPT to understand, to create that PPT content. या DeepSeek भी use कर रहा है. What should be the tone of the PPT? Should it be technical PPT? Should it be academic PPT? Should it be conversational, professional PPT? Right? Amount of text. Should it be a long text on the PPT or should it be a short text on the PPT? You can do all of this and you can select language as well. By the way, it supports global languages, English for now, maybe it might support regional languages later, but right now English is supported. That's more than enough, right? I'm going to click on submit now. Now you'll see the magic, okay? You see this tool is writing the details about that PPT. Use PPT mein kya? You see I'm not doing anything, my hands are off. This tool has generated the structure of that PPT in just a few seconds. Use PPT में based on the topic transformative applications of AI in software engineering. It has generated the section number 1 and then 1.1 based on that and then what it should contain. You see tools and techniques, impact on development speed. पूरा PPT का जो structure है, it has written. Now, if you don't like a certain this thing, okay, for example, error detection algorithms, okay, say I want to change this success stories. I want to change the success stories of software engineers. I can just change something. I can delete a certain element or I can add new structure, new point in the PPT. Now, when I'm done, when I finalize the structure, I'm going to click on next step. Here you will get the option to choose templates. Okay, a lot of the templates. Can you see that? Category of the templates: education, business plan, graduation, so many personal resume, marketing promotion. Then styles of the PPTs, should it be like a cartoon style, artistic style, business style, creative style, or you want to choose a specific color theme for your PPT. You can do all of that. For example, if I choose this one, I choose this template, I'm going to click on next. Now it's going to generate, okay, it's going to generate this PPT for me. Can you see that? It's generating the 19 slides PPT for me. 19 slides PPT for me based on that topic of software engineering. Can you see that? And by the way, this tool is free. You can get started with this tool completely free of cost, right? Can you see that? This PPT. Let it finish. It's generating 19 slides. Can you believe that at such a speed? एक स्लाइड बनाने को कितना टाइम चला जाता है, राइट? डिजाइन, एडिटिंग, फॉन्ट, यहाँ से वहाँ मूव करना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, राइट? Can you see that? The entire PPT, a 19 slides PPT generated in less than 1 minute with content, with images and all of that. I'm going to click on preview now. And you need to see that this PPT is generated, okay? This PPT is generated with exact content related to that. Certainly you can edit this PPT. You can download this PPT as well. Can you see that with PPTX format, right? And you can use it for your own use cases. Wherever जहाँ पर भी आपको presentation देना है, you can just simply use it. You can edit it. You can do whatever you want with this PPT. And if you just want to check out the templates, you see hundreds and hundreds, basically, like, templates from this in different languages and so many other things. You can just scroll down, it will keep loading. You can add your own custom templates out here. Isn't this amazing? Now let me ask you in the chat section, how much time do you think this tool will save you for your next PPT that you want to create? Maybe for your career, for your business, for your whatever use case. How much time do you think will this tool save you for your next PPT creation process, or whenever you want to do that, like 2 days, 2 hours, many hours, let me know in the chat, please. I'm curious to know. 4 to 5 hours, 2 days, right? Narayan is saying this seems better than Gamma. Yes, Gamma is better, but this tool has got a lot of templates, right? 5 to 8 hours, 4 to 5 hours, 45 minutes, 2 3 hours. You see 10 hours at least, somebody is saying. Can you see that? I told you in the beginning of this masterclass is going to be helping you save so much of time for you on a daily basis, and for your career and business. And you see, you yourself are telling me, Rohit, this is going to save me 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 1 day, 2 days. Some of you are saying like 10 hours, right? Interesting, right? So this is the power of AI tools. That's why I really want you to understand how to use these AI tools, which tools are in the market. Knowledge is the key here. Okay, understanding which precise tools to use. If you know them, implement them, you're going to get ahead in your career in terms of your productivity, income, and a lot of other things. Awesome. PPT business is best. Yes. And in fact, you can sell those PPTs as well. If you go to a freelancing platform called Fiverr, you will see that people are making business out of that. Right? And there are so many other things that you can do with this tool as well. I'm going to share with you one more tool. Okay. I would love to share with you as many tools as possible, but let me tell you, as I was sharing with you, by the way, would you love to learn like this with me on a daily basis? A new AI tool, a new AI skills? Would you love to learn with me on a daily basis like this? New AI tools every day for your career, for your business, for your productivity. Would you love to learn that? Would you love to learn with me like this on a daily basis? Obviously, somebody's saying, right? Yes, definitely, right? Many of you are saying yes. Some of you saying, somebody's saying yes, why not? Let me know in the chat section. Honestly, if you don't like this masterclass, absolutely fine. Okay, we'll improve on that. But if you're loving right now, let me know if you'd love to learn, right? Like this, maybe on a daily basis, whenever आपको जब कि आपका mood होगा तो, right? Interesting. Yes, interesting. Awesome. So yes, let me tell you what this is what we do. This is what we do in our community. Okay. So we have this. I'm going to be sharing with you that in a few moments, a few minutes later. Okay. So every day in our community, we gather together. Okay. And we learn. Okay. We learn about such AI tools almost on a daily basis. Okay. The tool that I just did show you, like this, we keep on learning on a daily basis. Can you see that? Every day our community gets together. We join in a live session for quick 20 minutes on a daily basis at 8 p.m. in the evening, and we learn a new AI tool. I teach our community members, Growtify community members, the enrolled people who have enrolled into our advanced programs and courses. They learn new AI tool, and you'll also get the chance to do that. In fact, in case if you miss the live session, you'll get the recording as well. Okay, on the platform. So it's a paid program that I'm going to be talking about around the end of the masterclass. So you can stay excited for that. You can choose to enroll in that and become an AI powered professional. You can be on that journey. Every day, can you see that? Every day, a new topic, AI agents, prompting methods, Google AI Studio, Google's Gemini, personalized AI assistant chatbot. Can you see that? I taught our members how to create personalized AI chatbot assistants. Can you see on this one, right? How to convert text into audio formats, then exciting AI games, the step-by-step creating AI avatars, influencers, content, every day something new and exciting, right? So that's what you're going to get access to once you join the program later. Okay. Now I want to share with you one more tool which is going to be helping you a lot for your interview preparation and your communication skills. Would you love to improve your communication skills using AI? Type yes in the chat section. Would you love to learn about how to improve communication skills, okay, for your interviews or for your interpersonal communication using AI tools? I'm going to show you a tool right now in next few moments. Would you love to learn that? Awesome. So I'm going to be sharing with you that. Interesting. Listen to this carefully. This is the tool that I want to share with you. Just allow me a few moments. I'm going to share with you that. Okay, here we go. The tool that I'm talking about is called Udly.ai. Okay, YOODLI.ai. So what this tool does is it's it's a tool through which you can practice your interviews. You can improve your communication skills. You can do, improve your public speaking and a lot of other things. So how do you use that? It's a free to get started tool, okay, which you can practice on a daily basis also using this tool. So how do you do that? Okay, you just create a free account. Okay, you just create a free account on this tool, and then once you log in, Okay. Once you log in into this tool, you will see this option here. I'm going to explain quickly about this tool. You see there is an option called practice here. You see role play, presentation, interviews, or you can upload your own questions. Okay, what does that mean? I'm going to show you one use case here. Interview. Okay. Now you see, how can you practice for your interview? You can just mention to this tool what role, for what role are you applying. For example, I'm applying for a role of a marketing profession, okay, marketing manager or a digital marketing, something like that. I can just mention about that. I can choose the company. Okay, there are very limited number of companies listed here. If your company is not listed, you just select this option called generic. Okay, you just select a company called generic, general company. Then what's going to happen is there is going to be an interviewer who's going to interview me right now as we speak. Okay, and I'm going to answer to that question, and based on my answer, this AI tool is going to analyze how I speak. If I'm making any grammatical mistakes, if I'm making any other mistakes, it's going to pinpoint that. It's going to tell me, Rohit, you're making these mistakes, you can improve on this. You're going to get real-time feedback about your communication skills using AI tool. It's going to be exciting. So stay tuned, listen to this carefully. So interviewer. So do you want the interview to be professional, technical, behavioral interview, stress? You want, that interview to give you stress. So it's going to be fun, right? It's going to be friendly as well. So I'm going to say professional. Now, there are some questions already listed here. But say, for example, okay, you want to add your own custom question, okay? For example, what was the last company in which you worked? Something like that, okay? I'm going to add this question. So I can create my own question bank for the interview, right? And then I'm going to say, tell me about yourself. I'm going to add this question. I'm going to move this to the top, right? So these are the questions that I'll be practicing for my interview. I'm going to click on save questions. Now, you see, I'm going to click on this button called start. There is this interviewer lady here who's going to ask me the questions, and he's going to listen to me, and he's going to give me feedback. I'm going to start.
Tell me about yourself.
So I'm Rohit, and I'm working in marketing industry for last 15 years, and I have worked in some amazing marketing. I've designed a lot of marketing strategies for FMCG brands, and I'm looking forward to using AI for my next marketing position. So that's about myself. So you see, I just gave a very basic answer, but you can practice with your own experience and all of that. Now you see, I just answered that question, and I can practice it for more questions. But for now, just for the demo purpose, we are short on time. I'm not going to continue with 5 questions. I just answered one question. I'm going to show you that this button comes up, or you can ask this AI to ask you a follow-up question. कि जिस जो मैंने बताया है, for example, I worked for 15 years in marketing industry. So it will ask me a question about that, specifically about that. Okay, so you can choose to do that, or you can click on save and view analysis. Now this is going to be magical. Listen to this carefully. Watch this carefully. This tool is going to analyze whatever I spoke, and it's going to guide me on that. You see, it's going to tell me, okay, this is my strength. This is where I can improve. Okay, it's giving me feedback. What's the feedback for me? Okay, and then this is interesting. You see, analytics. It's going to tell me, Rohit, you use so a lot of the time. See, when I spoke about it, then I repeated some words. Can you believe that? I repeated a word called I have twice in this speech. Can you see that it has highlighted this I have here? How smart this AI is. It has analyzed. Then it's saying that I use filler words in my communication, like that. So it's telling me it's not a good practice to use those words. Then it's telling me sentence starter. I start a lot of sentences with so. So it's telling me avoid that. That's not a good practice, for example, right? And then delivery. It's telling me that I spoke at a speed of 159 words per minute. It's okay. It's a conversational speed. If I'm speaking too fast or too low, it will tell me, Rohit, you need to improve on this. You need to, slow down a bit. And then it's telling me where did I take pauses. You see, by second, it has analyzed my speech. And I just spoke for 23 seconds. Just imagine if I was spoken for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, it would have given me so much detailed analysis. right? So once you speak with this AI tool, it gives you the improvement feedback. You improve on this feedback, you again speak, you will understand that okay, you are improving your communication skills, you can improve in your interview practice like this, right? So this is an exciting tool. You can use it for interview practice, for presentation practice, for role plays. That means manager, and when you're going for a salary hike, you want to practice that scenario with your manager. Can you see that? I'll show you. I'll show you some of the scenarios. Okay, here we go. So you see builder. If you go to the builder, you see you want to practice for sales call. You want to practice for your manager performance. You are going to speak with your manager. So कैसे बात करना है आपके manager के साथ? You can practice that beforehand using this tool. Isn't this awesome? Right? You want to give a pitch, right? Or whatever other things, you can just use this tool. Okay, the tool name is udly.ai. What do you think about this tool? Let me know in the one. Let me know in one word. What's your feedback about this tool? What do you think? It's going to help you learn. It's going to help you improve your communication skills. What do you think? Let me know in the chat, please. Let me know in the chat, please. Awesome. The chat box is on fire right now. Awesome. Amazing, right? Somebody's saying this is what I was looking for. Absolutely mind blowing, right? So you see, everybody, are you realizing the point that I want to tell you is that be it any use case, be it for PPT, website making, email replies, content creation, interview practice, I told you, right? Almost for 80 to 85% of your career use cases, professional use cases, and also for the business use cases, you can use AI tools. And now you're seeing the possibilities, right? Are you seeing the possibilities? Are you seeing the possibilities now कि आप AI कहाँ use कर सकते हो? Are you seeing that, right? Are you getting more optimistic now? Are you getting more excited to use AI tools now for your use cases? Type yes or no in the chat section, whatever is your honest answer, right? Interesting. Second income generation. We are going to come to that. Absolutely. Yes. In fact, you can use this tool for a lot of income generation as well, right? Awesome. Love that. Love that. Love that in the chat section. The commitment and the seriousness and the participation of the members here. Thank you so much for that. Now I can go on. Okay, I can go on. I can tell you about a tool. So there is a tool called Career Flow as well. We are not going to cover that. We'll cover that later in the advanced program. But if you're curious, you can check out this tool. This tool can help you apply for interviews automatically. Literally, you just need to submit your resume. It will auto apply for you. It will do the analysis of your resume. It will help you practice for your resume. It will generate resumes as well. It has got so many use cases. It will optimize your LinkedIn profile as well. Okay, but due to no shortage of time, we cannot cover this right now. But yeah, certainly for the members who will be joining our community, you'll get to learn about this tool in a very more detailed way. Okay, so there's a tool called Career Flow. You can explore that. We can keep going on and on. Okay. By the way, just to remind you, you have been part of this masterclass for last almost 1 hour. Stay with us for next few minutes until we finish this masterclass. You will get a bonus guide called Meta AI Guide, in which you are going to be understanding how to use Meta AI tool as your personal assistant. So stay excited for that. Okay, stay excited for that. All the attendees who will stay until the end of this masterclass. You're going to get that as a bonus PDF guide from my side. Okay, but let's learn about passive income. How do you earn money? Okay, using AI. Okay, we have understood about use cases. Now let's learn about AI. How can you make money using AI? Okay, so the first one is freelancing, right? I believe many of you would love to create, many of you would love to start freelancing, or maybe if you're doing, you want to grow your freelancing business. So do you want to start or grow your freelancing? Type yes in the chat section. I'll show you some of the opportunities that AI can present to you, right? Type yes in the chat section if you're curious about that. Let me know in the chat. Yes, so many of you are super excited, right? Yes, start and grow. Awesome. Thank you so much for your excitement. Let me share with you. You see, some of you might be knowing, most of you might not be knowing. So there is a website called Fiverr. It's a freelancing platform. What does this mean? It's a platform where you can register yourself as a freelancer. Okay, that means someone who has a skill and you can deliver work. Okay, you can deliver projects to your clients. It can be a business or it can be a single person, but it's a marketplace. Just Amazon is a marketplace where you as buyers go to buy items. There are sellers who come to sell the products. Amazon is a middleman. Okay, it's a platform which facilitates all of this buying and selling. So same way freelancing, Fiverr is a platform जहां पर freelancers आते हैं, they say, okay, I'll provide these services based on my skill sets and knowledge, and there are businesses who want these services, so they match them. Okay, so Fiverr is the platform where you can come create a free account. Okay, you can get started literally immediately to start your free account and create your profile. But what I want to share with you is a possibility and a practical possibility, not hawa mein baatein karenge. Okay, it's a very practical possibility. So many of our community members are already doing that already, and I want to show you that possibility. It's up to you to take action on that or not. Can I share with you one way? If you just learn one AI tool and do freelancing using that AI tool, you can make more than 10,000 rupees per month. More than 10,000 rupees per month. I'm saying minimum. Minimum. Are you curious to learn about that AI tool and also that way in which you can use that AI tool to make money? Whether you are a full-time working professional, whether you're a business owner, maybe you don't need money, whatever it is, just out of curiosity, you want to explore that. Are you curious to learn about that? Type yes in the chat section, right? So much, right? Why not? Absolutely. So let me share with you that. So you just come to the website called fiverr.com. And when you are here, let me share with you, just come to this tool and just in the search bar, just type the word Mid Journey. Okay. So what is Mid Journey? Mid Journey is an AI image generation tool. You see, Chat GPT is what? Chat GPT is a text to text tool. Primarily, आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हो इसको in text format as an input, it gives you the text output, right? But in AI, using AI tools, you can create images, you can create videos, you can create music, you can create songs, okay? You can do a lot of other things, okay? You can do a lot of other things. So this is the use case of creating images. How can you use AI tool to create images and sell those images? And you might be shocked to know that there is so much of demand for this particular use case in freelancing. I'm just going to type the word Mid Journey. What is Mid Journey? Mid Journey is an AI tool. If you just go to the Google and type the Mid Journey AI, it's an AI tool which can help you generate images. So यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना होता है? Just text prompt देना है कि I want to generate an image of so and so person or so and so use case, and will generate images for you. AI generated images. You might have seen a lot of AI images on Instagram and many other places. Just type the word Mid Journey and you will see I've just typed on this. So what these freelancers are doing, the people who know how to use this AI tool, this just one AI tool can make money out of this. How? You learn this AI tool, you register yourself as a freelancer on this website. There are a lot of businesses and clients who want to get AI generated images. They don't have time or skill sets to generate quality AI images. So they just give money to freelancers and get their work done. Now, let me show you how much is the amazing opportunity for making money just by learning one AI tool. I'll open some of the profiles and I'll show you how much earning potential is there. Okay. For example, let's open this one. What this person is saying, I'll create professional and detailed AI art. Art means basically the images. Okay, they call it art. You see, these are the kind of AI images that this person is saying, I'll generate an image, right? And you see the rates on the right hand side. With the basic package, they are saying I'll generate 2 AI illustrations or images for 2,730 rupees. If you go to the premium package, 10 images generate करने के लिए 7,000 रुपये charge करेंगे. So this person is saying I'll generate 10 images if you give me 7,000 rupees. And you know what? The best part, you might be wondering, such me, is it working? You just check out the reviews. Whenever we want to search for any product, any restaurant, we go to Google and search for reviews, right? Like this, you see reviews. These are the people who have actually taken the services of this company, right? This freelancer. 3 orders in queue. So what is the unique point about AI freelancing is, you see, freelancing is a kind of a saturated market, both competition and slow. But AI freelancing, there is a big opportunity right now because not a lot of people know how to use AI tools and do freelancing. So if you can learn AI tools and do freelancing, there is a big opportunity. In this way, it's all about supply and demand. You must have seen at least once, or you must have experienced that at least once, right? प्याज का रेट कभी 10 रुपए किलो होता है या कभी 100 रुपए किलो भी जाता है, 200 रुपए किलो भी जाता है. The onions, right? Why does it happen? This is because of the gap in supply and demand. Sometimes there is so much of onion in the market, the price drops to 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees per kg, depending on the location that you are in. But sometimes it's 200 rupees kg because not a lot of quantity of onions are there in the market. तो जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा सप्लाई होता है वहां पर प्राइसिंग यूजुअली कम होता है, बट जहां पर सप्लाई कम होता है एंड डिमांड ज्यादा होता है, सो प्राइसिंग शूट्स अप. That's what is happening in AI freelancing right now, everybody. And I want to tell you and I want to show you that. You see, in AI freelancing, there's a lot of demand from brands and businesses and clients, but there are very few people who are doing that. And you see, that is the reason you see 3 orders in queue. Businesses are lining up in queue to get the services from this. If I go to the reviews, you will see consistently on a daily basis, this freelancer is making money. You see, client of 4,400 rupees, 4,400 to 8,800 rupees. One client, okay? One client. Can you see that? Can you see that? Consistently, business is getting generated because of AI freelancing. Let's open some other profile. Can you see that? I'll do unique concept art with Midjourney, charging one image, for one image 2,200 rupees. For one premium image, charging 7,000 rupees. And still, people are paying for that money. People are paying for that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Consistently brands are paying these freelancers. I'll create perfect images for your website using Midjourney. For one image, 1,300 rupees. For maximum image packages, 4,000. So what I want to show you with this example is that if you just learn one AI tool, you can get started as a freelancer in AI image generation, irrespective of whether you're a technical person, non-technical person, creative person, non-creative person. AI opens up the field for everybody to explore, whether you're a student or a working professional or a business owner. And that is just one example. That is just one example. Let me show you something even more better. You see on the top right, there is a section called AI services. There's a section called AI services. What I explained to you is just one use case. Just one use case of AI image editing or AI image generation. Like this, there are more than 25 ways you can do freelancing in AI. Freelancing in AI. You see, you can create websites, which we just saw. You can sell those websites. You can create music, you can do videos, you can create prompts, you can do consulting, you can do strategy sessions, you can do so many things using AI and start making money on freelancing websites like Fiverr. Right? What do you think about this? Like AI is, these opportunities were not there earlier, but now because of AI tools, these opportunities are opened up. And if you love to learn more in depth how to do freelancing using AI and maybe many other, passive income ways, how many would love to learn that, right? Like you want to get into this AI freelancing, because let me tell you, it's not a rocket science, it's not a PhD. You just need to learn AI tools and how to use them well, and you can open up yourself to these opportunities. How many people would love to learn, right? These freelancing opportunities, how to get started as a freelancer in AI, and how do you learn other ways. Maybe you can publish your ebook. There are so many ways in which you can make money using AI. Let me tell you, you can publish digital products, you can create courses, you can create consulting, you can do freelancing, you can do so many other ways, okay, using AI, right? Awesome. Love that excitement in the chat section. Love that excitement in the chat section for making money using AI. And why not? My question to you is, why not? If opportunity is being presented, why not take it? Right? Why not take it? What do you think? What do you think? If opportunity is being presented, why not take it? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Tell me yes if you agree with me. Because earlier these opportunities were not there. If you were a non-technical person, you couldn't build a website for yourself. But with AI tools, you can. With AI tools, you can do freelancing with AI tools, right? So why not take those opportunities, right? Awesome. I completely agree with you, Vignesh, you say. And that's what logical things are about, right? We do all of this, right? Awesome. By the way, there are so many other ways in which you can make money using AI. Okay. Like you can create affiliate marketing websites, you can create content creation using AI, you can sell those, this thing. You can do a lot of other things. Let me tell you, if you just come here, okay, you can even sell, you just type the word prompt. Okay, just the word prompt. Let me show you one more way. Just use the word prompt. You will see, if you just learn this another skill of writing good prompts for these chat GPTs and other tools, you can make money out of that. You can make money out of that. How? You see, this guy is saying, I'll write custom chat GPT prompts for you. What are prompts? Basically, these are the instructions that you put in the chat GPT. But for different use cases, businesses need different prompts, advanced prompts. And You see, for writing one prompt, this guy is saying I'll charge 455 rupees. For two prompts, charging 2,730 rupees. Can you believe? If you just learn how to write good prompts and become a freelancer, register yourself as a freelancer with consistency, if you start getting clients, just for writing those prompts, text prompts, you can start making money. AI has enabled everybody to do that. It's only the matter if you can take the action and do it with consistency, right? Can you believe this? ये opportunities पहले नहीं थी. And these are just the tip of the iceberg, the opportunities that are available. You can create content, you can write, affiliate marketing, you can write ebooks, guides using AI tools, and all of that. In fact, in our community, so many members have already written and published ebooks on Amazon and so many other tools. People can generate, you can generate courses, consulting, coaching, freelancing, all of that. Okay, so there are so many ways. We cannot cover all of them in depth in the short masterclass, but certainly, as I promised to you, I'm going to give you an opportunity to learn this further with me. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you an opportunity to join our program, and then you can continue learning with me. By the way, stay with me. You're going to get a guaranteed benefit, okay, guaranteed bonus of this guide that I'm going to give to everybody, okay, by the end of this masterclass, which is Meta AI Guide, how you can use Meta AI as your personal assistant. Stay excited for that, okay? But before we move forward, what is your feedback about this session? How was today's session up until this moment? कैसा था? आपको मजा आया? Was it impressive? Was it useful? Was it boring? Was it useless? Please tell me honestly. Please tell me honestly. How was it? How was today's session? Was it useful? Was it मजा आया कि नहीं आया? I told you in the beginning that we'll learn some amazing AI tools hands-on, and we'll be able to see the possibilities. Did I live up to my promise? Did I show you some possibilities? Did I show you some AI tools? Did I make this interesting session for you? Did I waste your time? I don't think so. Right? बहुत मजा आया, right? Amazing. Informative and very practical, right? Way you explained, hats off for it. Thank you so much for your kind compliments. All the members who are saying best session, right? Amazing, super helpful, very insightful, wonderful, very useful and interesting, right? Some of you are saying loved it, very informative, surprisingly amazing. Yes, I know, right? It's exciting. It was super awesome. Now, for your next journey, okay, listen to me very carefully for next few minutes, everybody. Okay, I want to ask you two questions. Do you think there is so much more to learn about AI tools and use cases? Type more or yes in the chat section. Type yes in the chat section. Do you believe there is so much more for you to learn? We just covered maybe 5 to 7 different tools in the short span of hardly 60 to 70 minutes, right? How many of you agree there is so much more for you to learn? A lot. Somebody saying a lot, more and more. Yes, absolutely. I'm going to ask you a second question. Do you think if you do not upskill, अगर आप AI skilled नहीं बनोगे तो आपको risk है? Do you think there is a risk? Type risk in the chat section. Do you think there is a risk if you do not upskill? There is a risk of maybe job losses. There is a risk of getting outdated in next few months to few years. What do you think? Let me know in the chat section, right? Let me know in the chat section. Let me know in the chat section. What do you think? Risk, right? Some of you are saying, some of you are yes, right? There is the fear of missing out because there is so much of happening in the world of AI. अगर आपने सच में honestly and genuinely I'm saying, because I've been studying, I come from a software engineering background, by the way. I worked in Japan for almost 4 years in a company called Rakuten. For full 4 years I was working on AI projects, and then I saw that so many people would want to learn about AI, and that's why I started this community called Growtify, okay, to make things simple for people to understand. And as a result of that, right now we are more than 10,000 plus people already part of our community and we are right now highest rated AI learning community in India. You can just go to trustpilot.com. It's like Google reviews. We are rated 4.9 star on that, because our intention is to give everybody in our community the best content so that they can grow in their career. Okay, and that's why I want you to join this AI revolution, become AI literate, and not be like a nano in today's age, जो slow चलता है और बंद भी पड़ जाता है. Okay, this nano is outdated now. I want you to be really like a fast user, fast implementer of all of this. I really want you to become a champion user. So you have two choices now. Okay, now you got the possibility कि AI ये कर सकता है, वो कर सकता है. एक आपको एक glimpse मिल गया, right? Trailer मिल गया. Now you have two choices, everybody. Either to be an AI watcher, सिर्फ देखते रहो कि क्या चल रहा है न्यूज में and क्या चल रहा है बाकी दुनिया में, right? Or you become an AI champion. But if you choose to become an AI champion, like actually learn AI tools, actually learn AI use cases, implement them for your career, for your business, right? Then you can become productive. You can attract better opportunities. You can attract better jobs. You can become exponential growth in your career in the next few months to few years, right? There's a lot of scope for even all the business owners and working professionals and all of that. So do you want to become an AI champion? Type yes in the chat section. Do you want to be an AI watcher or want to become an AI champion? Type yes if you want to become an AI champion. Type yes in the chat section if you want to become an AI champion. Love that. Love that excitement in the chat section. Yes, of course, right? So many of you are like super excited to become an AI champion. Let me tell you, as I promised to you, right? I'm going to give you an opportunity, okay, to join our advanced program, okay, in which I will help you to become an AI champion. You see, अगर last 60 seconds में आपने इतना सीखा, just imagine if you can learn with me consistently even after this masterclass. मजा आएगा, right? So I'm going to give you an opportunity. We have designed this program called, and by the way, we have community members from all over India for this. So we have designed this program called AI Champions Program, which is going to help you become an AI champion. Okay. So in this program, what are you going to get? Listen to me for next 10 minutes carefully. If you understand what we are offering and if you choose to take action, let me tell you, in next 3 to 6 months, you will be proud of the decision that you learned about AI, because it is going to help you in your career and business for sure if you implement the learnings that you're going to be learning in this program. So listen to me very carefully for next 10 minutes. This might be a game changer decision for your career and business. So what are you going to get in this AI Champions program, which is a paid program? Okay, you're going to get 6 on-demand courses. So you'll get access to 6 courses to help you start from the beginning itself. Even if you're a complete beginner, you're going to understand how to use AI from the beginning. If you're an average user or an advanced user, you're going to get content for that as well. You're going to get weekly live session with me. Yes, I'll be conducting the live session for you every week, Q&A sessions. You're going to get access to our community platform. You're going to get certificate of completion as well. Once you finish all the courses, you're going to get official certificate which you can display on your LinkedIn, which is going to help you show that you are AI professional, you are AI skilled professional, and you're going to get support from all our customer care as well in case of any questions. So introducing to you guys, everybody, AI Champions Program. What is this? So you will get access to 6 courses, which are the first course is Smartphones Master course. You see, अभी मैंने दिखाया था, कहाँ गया? If you just learn this one skill of writing prompts, writing good prompts, you see freelancers are making just by selling 2 prompts, making 2,730 rupees. So almost 3,000 रुपए का sell हो सकता है if you can sell prompts. You see, this is one of the most important skill when you want to use AI tools. कोई भी AI tool हो, AI image generation, video generation, any tool, you will need to write prompts. So how do you write those prompts? I'm going to be teaching you that in this first course called Smart Prompts Mastery. I'll be taking you from the beginning, even if you're a complete beginner in AI, even if you're a non-technical person from whichever industry you are in, I'll be teaching you from the basics how to use AI tools from the beginning, how to write good prompts, and for almost any use cases. And by the way, you're going to get access to all these courses on our platform immediately after this session. If you choose to enroll in this program, we have a mobile app, we have a website where you're going to get access to courses. You'll be able to log in and see, this is the first course, not this one. Yeah, this one. So you're going to get access to this course where you're going to get to learn this complete from scratch. You're going to get 10,000 plus prompts as well. You're going to learn different methods and techniques of writing prompts. All of this immediately after this session. So this is one of the most important skills. If you want to become an AI champion, you need to know how to write prompts for AI. So this is the course. You're going to get official certificate from our site so that you can display it. Okay. Second course that I'm going to be sharing with you, you're going to get access to AI content creation. So how do you create content for your social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, all of that, so that you can build your side income, maybe through social media as well. If not side income, how can you boost your profile so that you attract better opportunities, better clients, and all of that? How can you create content on YouTube? How can you create content on Instagram? You see, you will be getting ready-made prompts. आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You're going to get ready-made prompts for YouTube. You just come. You want to create a YouTube video, YouTube Shorts. You just come here, copy the prompts, ready-made prompts मैंने लिखा है already. You just come here, copy the prompt, go to ChatGPT, just input your topic, or you get the scripts and all of that. You get access to hundreds and hundreds of prompts for YouTube ads, YouTube videos, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, blogs, emails, all of that completely in this course, AI content creation. So you want to create content, this course is going to cover all of that. Next course is AI and ChatGPT money machine. How can you make money using AI tools? So I told you about freelancing, right? In this course, I'm going to teach you step by step from the beginning how to become an AI money maker. Okay, how can you make money using AI? How do you do that? You see, you're going to learn 10 different ways. Yes, you heard it right. 10 thus different ways in which you can make money using AI. In this AI money machine course, let me show you what way. You want to publish an ebook. You see, publishing an ebook is one of the best ways to make money right now. You just publish that book once and you will keep making money. But it's not an easy task. But let me tell you, using the prompts, I'm going to make your life so easy. I'm going to give you some ready-made stuff. You see, when you enroll in this, you're going to get access to these sessions. You see, this is the first video. In this just 1 hour session, 1 hour 17 minutes, I'm going to teach you from scratch. By the end of this 1 hour 17 minutes lecture, you'll be able to publish your own ebook. How? I'm going to give you everything ready-made. You're going to get access to this document where I'm going to give you ready-made prompts. आपको सिर्फ ये prompts copy paste करना है ChatGPT में. Use these prompts 10, 20, 10, 15 prompts that I've given you. By the end of this, you'll have entire concept. You'll have entire text of your ebook ready. And for generating the design, the front page, the back page of the books, I'll be sharing some other design tools. So just by learning from this one AI tool, this one video, you'll be able to publish it. That's first thing. Then starting email newsletter. Then starting freelancing. You see, passive income case study. Then you see freelancing, how to generate money using PPTs, how to create freelancing. You see this entire session, how to get started with freelancing. This is part 1, part 2, part 3. Can you see that? All the 10 different ways explained. One of that is freelancing. So I'll be guiding you from basics to actually making money with freelancing. So this one course is going to help you make money using AI, and all of that in a practical way. Let me share with you. I'm writing a 10,000 word. Let me share with you. So all of this, okay, all of this in just a very, very practical way. Can you see that? I explain everything in a practical way, hands-on art. So that is clear now. Okay. So this is what you're going to get in this one course: 10 different ways to make money using ChatGPT and AI tools. Next is productivity booster. How do you boost your productivity? Before the beginning of this masterclass, I promised you I'll share with you some AI tools which can save you half an hour to 1 hour. But just imagine, just you saw yourself. I shared with you tools for PPT making, website making, email reply, and you yourself told me, Rohit, I'll be able to say 1, 2, 3 hours, right? Just imagine if you can learn more AI tools. In this course of AI productivity booster, I'm going to share with you 25 advanced AI tools. How to use those AI tools to boost your productivity in your career, in your business. How to save time. Okay, how to save time. You'll be able to save minimum, my assurance is you will be able to save minimum 10 hours every week if you learn this one course. Because this is going to show you the ways in which you can use AI tools for your career and business. Imagine how much that better will be if you can save 10 hours using AI tools, right? So this course is going to help you that productivity boost, right? The next course is career accelerator. So if you want to boost your career, how do you do that? AI can help you with that. I just explained to you one tool, Judely.ai, which can help you practice for interviews. There are so many tools. There is a tool called lookcv.pro, using which you can literally automate your job application. आपको सिर्फ resume submit करना है. This tool will find the right opportunity for you. This is an AI tool on automation. There's a tool called Career Flow. Okay, so we'll be exploring these tools in detail. I'll be showing you how to use these tools for your interview preparation, for applying to next jobs, for getting the salary hikes. How do you upskill yourself? Like this, you'll be learning many tools which can help you boost your career. Not only that, we have created prompts for almost every profession. So आपका जो भी profession हो, 99% of the cases we already covered. You see, there are ready-made prompts. You see on the left-hand side, this is a profession, and these are the prompts on the right-hand side. You get access to this Excel sheet which contains prompts for your profession. For example, you are a recruiter, you are a UI UX developer, you are a teacher, you are a career counselor, you are a real estate agent, you are a software engineer, whatever your profession might be. We have covered almost 148 different professions, and we have created prompts for all of you. You'll get access to these prompts. So आपका कोई भी profession हो, just come to this document, copy the prompts, you start using it for yourself. So how to use AI for your career and how to use AI for your salary growth, increment, professional growth, and even for the business owners, there are a lot of prompts in this course. Okay. And by the way, you're going to get access to, so this is an entire program. It consists of 6 courses that I just explained. Okay. Along with that, you're going to get access to, by the way, the value of this course, the entire bundle is 10,000 rupees. Okay. The value of this entire courses bundle is 10,000 rupees on our official website. But you're going to get some discount on this. You don't have to pay 10,000 rupees for this. You're going to get some discount on this. Okay. There is more. What is going to happen? You're going to get access to weekly live sessions with me. And also, so the structure is going to be this. Let me explain to you clearly so that you understand. You're going to get access to courses. You can learn anytime, lifetime access to the courses, by the way. Listen to me carefully. Lifetime access to all the courses and live session recordings on the mobile app and the website. So the structure is going to be like this. Every day, we are going to be meeting at 8 p.m. evening for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, I'll show you one AI tool or one AI use case. You learn with me, you implement it immediately. Okay, every day we'll learn new AI tool, Monday to Friday. And every Friday, okay, we'll have one live session of Q&A. So it will be a 1.5 hour to 2 hour session. आपको कोई भी question हो, I'll be there to answer it live every week in case you are stuck. And if you have any other questions, you can reach out to our support team. They'll be able to help you with that as well. So we have live sessions every day for 20 minutes. If you miss it, you'll get the recording. You'll get the recording immediately that night. You can watch it on the mobile app or the website. So the time commitment every week is 1 to 2 hours only. And in case if you miss the live session, you're going to get the recording. And if you still miss, you're not able to access course even for 1 month, no issues. You're going to get lifetime access to all the recordings of our previous sessions and the courses. So you can access the courses even after 3 months, even after 6 months on the website and on the web mobile app. Okay. So we have a website, courses.growtify.com. You'll be able to access all of that. Also, you'll get access to our community and all of that also, so that you get support from our community as well. Along with that, everybody, let me tell you the daily sessions and the weekly sessions that we have, right? We keep on conducting sessions every day because we truly want to give the best value to our community. And here it is. You see this one. More than 96 sessions of our previous this thing. Can you see that? Almost every day we have conducted a session for 20-30 minutes in which you will be learning new AI tool. In case if you miss, you'll get the recording lifetime access, right? So it's a live learning. Along with that, access to the courses so you can learn at your own pace as well. Okay. So by the way, when we sell it on our official website, it's for 10,000. But as I said to you, it's going to be at a discounted price for all of you. See, when you go to our official website, it's for 10,000. You're not going to pay 10,000 right now. You'll get a more discount. By the way, the final discounted price. Are you curious to know the final discounted price? Type yes in the chat section. Type yes in the chat section. There's going to be a more discount on this one. Type yes in the chat section. If you want to know the final discounted price and you're super curious to enroll and join this amazing community of learning. Are you excited to know the final discounted price and join this amazing community of AI learning? Let me know in the chat section. Type yes in the chat section. Type yes in the chat section. And I'll be welcoming you. We'll be sharing with you how you can become part of this community. So guys, the final discounted price for this entire courses, 6 courses, weekly Q&A session, daily 20 minutes live learning session, recording access of all the live sessions on the mobile app as well as the website for lifetime access to the recordings. आप कभी भी recordings देख सकते हो. All of this, even the certificates you'll get, the customer support you'll get, all of this for only 2,999 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. We want to make it very, very affordable for as many people as possible. So that's why we're charging only 2,999 rupees for lifetime access to all the courses. And we are right now highest rated for this program in India, let me tell you. And by the way, this offer is limited for only fast action takers. What is that? Let me tell you, there is going to be even more bonuses for you. What are those bonuses? Let me share with you. If you enroll within next 10 minutes, in this program, you're going to get a discounted price of 2,999. And also you're going to get access to prompts pack, a ready-made prompts pack, not this one. You're going to get access to 10,000 ready-made prompts. Can you believe that? 10,000 prompts for your use cases. I've created this document which contains 10,000 ready-made prompts, and you'll be able to get access to this if you enroll within next 10 minutes. Even if you're an academician, whatever profession you might be in, you see, I have created prompts for you. This is a treasure of prompts. You don't need to go anywhere else for AI learning. Just come here, use these prompts, and you'll be able to get it. By the way, this prompt bonus is only for the people who will enroll in this, and also you'll get access to a directory of AI tools. So you'll get a list of directory for AI tools. You can refer to those AI tools, and then you can start using those AI tools as well. Okay, so it's a list, it's a document containing AI tools for different use cases. You're going to get access to that as well. So entire thing for only 2,999 rupees only. And by the way, two bonuses of prompts as well as AI tools list directory for only 2,999 for next 10 minutes only. And by the way, there is a 3 days money back guarantee. We'll have our first live session on Monday, okay, at 8 p.m. If you miss, you'll get the recording. And if you join our program, join for 3 days, attend our course, join our course, watch from the course, and if you're not satisfied with the quality, we have a 3-day money back guarantee as well. Okay, so all of this only for 2,999. My team member has pasted the payment link in the chat section. You can click on the payment link. Once you click on the payment link, you will see a page like this, which is like for 2,999. You can give in your full details. Make sure you give correct WhatsApp number and email. And once you give it, you'll be able to get a confirmation email of your successful enrollment within next 2 to 3 minutes on your WhatsApp and email. Okay, so my teammate has already shared, and many of you already jumped into the program. So congratulations for that. I'm going to be congratulating all of you for enrolling. By the way, just let me clarify one thing. This offer of 2,999 rupees is only for next 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, if you try to enroll, we'll be sharing with you this new payment link of 10,000 rupees, which is our official price on the website. You can buy at 10,000 rupees. But for the people who are here, this is an early bird discount for only 10 minutes. And if you join, you'll get access to what? 6 courses, lifetime access to all these courses on the mobile app, on the website. You'll get access to weekly Q&A session. You can keep attending those weekly sessions almost on like for next 1 month, 3 months, lifetime, literally. And let me show you what do I mean by lifetime. We have been active community for last 20 months. We have been an active community for last 20 months. And I'll share with you the recordings. Okay, I'll share with you, I'll share with you how we keep record of all the lectures. I'll show you that. Okay, you see, these are all the courses that we have. And just a moment. Here it is. Okay, take a look at this. All these sessions, where is that? Yeah, here it is. You see all the sessions, okay, all the previous sessions, we keep track of that. You'll get access to that, lifetime access on the mobile app as well as the website, official certificate, official support from my team as well for any of your queries. Okay, so I'm going to start a timer of 10 minutes. This offer is only limited for 10 minutes. So all the members who will enroll using the payment link in the chat section, there are 2 payment links in the chat section. You can use any one of the payment link. The 2 payment links are for diverting the traffic, because a lot of people jump onto one payment link and then it gets stuck. So we have shared 2 payment links. You can join at only 2,999 rupees. Let me tell you one thing, everybody. AI is the most in-demand skill right now in the market. Invest in your own learning about AI. There might be a lot of videos on YouTube. There might be a lot of free content on the website. Please, you can go and check out that. But let me tell you, if you want to save time, if you want a ready-made solution, ज़्यादा jig नहीं चाहिए. I want to let Rohit just tell me what should I do. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, I'll do that. I'll become an AI champion. I'll use these AI tools in this way. If you want that structured approach, if you want to save time, if you want to become better in the quickest way, this is the program for you. It's going to give you access to courses for your career growth. It's going to give you access for income growth. It's going to give you access for content creation. It's going to help you with a lot of productivity tools. All of this with the live support as well. Many courses you might have joined, you might have not learned from them. Okay, but this course is different in a way. We will be meeting live almost on a daily basis. I'll be answering your questions. My team is there to support you. We'll get certificates as well. Okay, so this is the, I would say, the best opportunity for you to learn about AI right now. You can take advantage of it. If you're really serious about your career, let me tell you, make this decision to invest in your own learning. अगर आप पार्टी को जाते हैं आपके फ्रेंड्स या किसी के साथ, you might be spending more on your party. Invest that on your learning and be proud of it. And in case if you're not satisfied within first 3 days, we have a refund policy as well. You can ask for a refund if you access the course, if you attended our session, and still if you don't like the quality of our content, no issues. Okay, you can ask for a refund. So this offer is only for next 10 minutes. And by the way, I'm going to be congratulating the members who have enrolled in next last few minutes. So I want to congratulate the members who have enrolled. Manisha, congratulations. Sai Teja, welcome and congratulations to the AI Champions program. Congratulations, Chaitanya, welcome to the AI Champions program. Then we have Niharika Reddy, welcome to the AI Champions program. Yes, you're going to get